back.
We have to be careful about how big is going to be our cookie. I would say, do not start from a big cookie. My idea is that I'm going to be a little bit smaller. I'm going to open and then make the, so I'm probably going to go a little bit taller, right? And we are going to transform considerable these shapes, okay? So I'm going to start from a cylinder like this, okay? So I'm going to go in. Sometime again I mentioned, when I have a lot of clay, I usually tend to put my 2 fingers, but it's very important, especially today, that your bottom and your walls are at 90 degrees, right? Because if not, this probably you are gonna be able to trim, but there are gonna be pieces that, or areas that are gonna be really, really heavy, okay? I'm making the bottom part, okay. Oops. You always need to keep the shape, okay? Because the tendency is that this piece probably is going to start opening, right? So you always need to keep control from the top. And you always need to keep clay on the top because this is what we are gonna be using, okay? So I'm going to try to compress the bottom part. This is part that we are going to trim at the end, right? So I don't care too much, but it needs to be compressed, okay? And then what I'm going to do is start pulling as a very long cylinder, okay? A very long cylinder and tall. Look at that, I control the neck because this is a part that I'm going to try to squeeze later, but I don't want at this point just to open too much, okay? And I still have a lot of clay.